whole new set of blinker and fog light assemblies. So I got some new lights there. Those are the stock bulbs. I got some LED ones coming from AutoZone. Looks so much better that way. Just clean, refreshing. I have the old set here. Look at that. Disgusting. I don't know what the hell these were. Crazy, bro. Let's take a look real quick. I know this is kind of dim. Something to do with the wiring. See like how bright that one is. Really cool. So eventually I'll get to the headlamps, but you know, I'm getting there. I got these planted technology side mounts for the seats. That way I can have more adjustability with the height and the angle. As you can see here, a lot more slots than the NRG side mounts I have currently. Nothing better than having a quiet morning in your neighborhood and you just start this bad boy up. So I got these stock bulbs for the blinkers, right? I'm gonna put these new LED ones I got from AutoZone. Just take a good look at that real quick. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. It's pretty simple. Okay, so I'll go underneath the car. So right here, that's the fog light. You gotta go above it. And that's where the blinker is at. So in my case, these are brand new assemblies. These caps are really easy to turn, whereas my old ones, and in your case, most likely yours, it's gonna be pretty tight. So you have to like, just turn it. So it's the top one, you're gonna loosen it. So you're gonna wanna turn the bulb just like the others, like the side markers and for your reverse lights. Same thing, just turn it, pull it out carefully. And there it is, right? There's the bulb. You're gonna wanna pull it out. I'm going to do this with two hands, but yeah, the idea is to pull it out and insert the LED. Go ahead and pop it back in, turn it and lock it. Then go ahead and get the cap and turn that and lock that as well. So there it is. If it doesn't work the first time, just flip it or switch it around and just plug it in. If you're having a tough time to turn it and lock it, go ahead and turn your wheel outside. That way you get some more room underneath. And if you want, you can also jack your car up. I'm too lazy, so I'm just doing it the hard way. You can also look in here to help you figure out how it goes. So there it is in place. So go ahead and turn it. It's nice and tight. It's locked and secure. Go ahead, get the cap thingy, and close it up. I know I could just move the car for a better shot and maybe better to put it in, but I'm too lazy. I don't feel like turning the car on and moving it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'll do a clip of it, you know, how it looks out there and at nighttime. Well, what is this? Ah, okay. This is a 2008, 910, or 11 rear bumper for the STS. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh no, you're gonna change the bumper. Oh no, it's gonna look like this again. Well, here's why I chose this bumper. For one, yes, the stock bumper for the 05 to the 07 is okay. I like the, you know, the style of it, but honestly, if you want to in the future put a rear diffuser, it just won't work with that bottom part, and I don't think you want to take that off and do some crazy stuff. I don't know. It looks okay on its own. It'll look really nice if this is really like a deep black, and you know, have the holes black, I guess, or something. You can make this look good. But for me, it's cool, but I like the style on the other bumper because it just looks cleaner, looks more aggressive. You can put a rear diffuser in the middle. It has that little grill in the middle. I'll show you right now as I take this wrapping off. Got this off eBay. Got here pretty quick. Not too expensive, but it costed more than a front bumper. Go figure. You see, it's just, I don't know. I think it'll make the car look better, especially when it's painted. You know, with the with the right wheels next here, it'll just look really nice, and it'll definitely throw other STS owners off. They're gonna like, hey, what the heck? The front end, you know, is 05, but the rear and the fenders, what's going on here? So it's just gonna look, it's gonna look great, believe me. Alrighty, So, but the new bumper, the exhaust was too high up, so the bumper wasn't able to go in. So, I had to put the old bumper back on, but half-assed. You know, the side markers are not there, and the parking aid sensors are off, and we're using zip ties to hold the bumper on. Pretty cool, huh? Oh yeah. So, I went ahead and got the hangers modded. Now the exhaust drops 2.5 inches lower, just enough clearance for the, you know, the bumper to go on without any issues. So the exhaust is a little lower. So far from driving it, I didn't notice it scraping on any driveways or speed bumps or anything, but I'll probably get this readjusted in the future. But for right now, I'm worried about putting that bumper on and looking good. Other than that, it looks pretty retarded like this. Look at that. Mint. Came out very, very nice. Love it. Easy, buddy, easy. Fair enough. Alrighty, so here's an interior update on the car. Let's see. I got the energy neck support, lumbar support, seatbelt pads on both seats. The Planet Technology side mounts. Looks good, looks good. And that's how it looks underneath. I don't think I've ever shown that. Yep. Just giving you guys a little view, a little tour on how it is to be inside this car, because I'm pretty sure some of you guys are curious. There's this right here, even though it's all retarded. That's how it looks on top. Got stickers all over the damn place. That's my stuff for work. Yep. Yep. This back cover I tried doing, or a seat cover I mean, for the back seats, and yeah, it didn't really cut out that well. The other side's over there, the bottom part. What else did I do? I got that back there. I'm gonna probably take the subwoofer off because it doesn't work anymore. It keeps on making a beeping sound, super loud, really annoying. And that's it, I guess. Fuses are good. I don't know. Just want to show you guys how it looks, because I never really show inside, I just show outside. So yeah, pretty cool. Alrighty, so I got some new bulbs here, the LED, low beam, high beam, and I don't know what those are, but yeah, those are also LED. They go for that little light right there. So I got new assemblies, because the ones I have right now, the wrap is on it, it's all like peeling, it's bubbling up, and it's just not good. I just want to start fresh, just give it a nice look, because I already did the fog lights, those look good. So I'm gonna do that. Have these restored, cleared up, make it look good, and of course upgrading to LED instead of halogen. I don't have HID, so it's gonna look much better at night. They're 6000K white. They're gonna match the same color as my fog lights, so at night it's just gonna look good. So I'll have better visibility, plus it'll look more modern and just better. And I can say all lights on the car will be LED. Let's get to it. Look at that. Honestly, I wanted my headlights to match that, but hey, that looks amazing. I just love how these came out. Wow. Super excited to see that at night. Let's put the high beams on. Yo, look at that. Oh, that's awesome. You have no idea how long I wanted to do this. So, like I said, I'm gonna paint it instead of wrapping it. That way it'll just be permanent. There's no issues of peeling or bubbles or whatever. That way it'll just have that angry look all the time. Because, you know, don't get me wrong, this looks beautiful. I like how it is, but I want it more aggressive. I just want it to, you know, be different, just the way I had it before. But damn, oh, that's hot. All right, so that's how it looks right now. I'm gonna put the high beams on. You see that? Very nice. I'm gonna put the fog lights on. Not that much of a difference, but it helps. Turn them off. Looks really good. Wow. Got a new splash guard since the other one somehow broke off. So I'll just slap that on and go back to how it was.
Like, I live in like a random ass street.
Yeah. Okay, so the Flowmaster Flow FX mufflers are now installed, and let me tell you, it's smoother and a little bit quieter. So you notice that difference? Okay, so I kept that. It's just that I changed. Right? Really similar, but a lot smoother. Still rasps, but I notice it's not too aggressive. Like, it's cleaner. It's what I wanted, and I love it. Alright, so I'm going to the Fontana courthouse to pay that ticket because of my exhaust. Yeah. I got myself a new hood along with a hood trim, a hood latch, and a front right door speaker because mine went out. So it's black. I understand. Everything else on the car is black. It's gonna look different. I think it's gonna look cool and different. I don't know. My hood trim here is stupid. I don't like it. The hood's cracked right here. I don't know. Let me see if I can get that on camera. Yeah, nasty. You know, it's just not good. I hate it. I never liked it. And as you can see, I never showed this, but it's not flat because whoever got this car before me or had it or whatever, they crashed and never fixed it, or I don't know. And the hood latch, I want to say it's bad because if I want to push it pretty good, it's like, see, look, there, and it might pop off. So, hey, let's get to it. Yee. All right, check it out. Just got to paint that black, and there's a little dent right here, no biggie. So here's the old hood latch. Here's the other one I grabbed from that STS that was parting out. Big thanks to that guy, because I couldn't find an STS for the life of me nearby. So here's the new hood. It's like it's not black, but it's like a super dark gray, a light black, I don't know, but hey, it looks good. I'm happy. It only has, you know, like one small dent here. The chrome trim here is good compared to that. Oh my goodness, man, like this hood, garbage. Yeah, that's trash. I'm not selling that. But yeah, dude, watch this. Look, easy. Where before I was like, like I smashed it down and it wasn't good. And to pop it up, very nice. Before it was kind of like a hesitation. So much better. That little sound is the hood rubbing on the windshield wiper, because when I took it off to paint it, when I was bolting it down, it's not flat, so I gotta readjust it. Really easy, just take the cap off, it's right there. But yeah, the hood's good. I took the insulation off. I'm going to remove the washer things here, the little black things on top, because I'm not gonna be using this no more, since last year the rat chewed on my fuel lines and the hoses for this, and I never got that, you know, fixed. I don't want to get it fixed. I never used it anyway, so just remove it, clear some, free up some space. Take these off, and there's gonna be a little hole, as you can see here. I already did that on that hood. I'll be getting a new grill that's like that, excuse me, and then I'll put it underneath just to get some cooling or something. I don't know. I think it'll be different, cool. Trying to catch my breath. Sorry. I put this back on just because I know I gotta clean it. I gotta paint it. Actually, I want to make this look nice, you know, and just slap it back on. But yeah, dude, it looks good. I like it. Oh man, look at that. So what else I got was the speaker for the front passenger door, because it went out, it doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna just swap it, and maybe get the guy's driver's seat so I can get the airbag wire, plug it into my car. That way my airbag light turns off and everything works good. So this thing's coming together, man. Super excited. So whoopsie, no more hood. I don't know where to put it, that's the thing. Got this big old thing here. Jeez.